What's up guys, welcome to my dream garage. Almost there. So if you see on the back side, there's a drywall all the way. I didn't do it all up there for now. I'm going to leave it. More money, I don't want to do it. In the future I'm going to finish that one up there too. Toilet for now, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to worry. So it's not the same over here, the drywall on here. So I'm going to put a tiles over here. This one's paint, white paint. Over here's tiles, because if I wash something over here, there's a pipe for washing. So I don't want to damage that one. I'm going to put tiles and then it'll be safe than damage that one. So that's why it's different. If I want to wash something, maybe engine or maybe, I don't know, something engine stuff, obviously. So over there it's not done yet too, because for the panel, the breakers panel, I didn't decide what kind of I'm going to put. So I'm going to include the drywall when I assemble it on this video. I don't know what size it is. I'm going to put one steel down here. So because of that, it's open over here for now. So I'm going to continue the drywall over there all the way over on this side a little bit, because the pipes for the electric pipes goes on that way. I'll go up and go on this side, something like that. So I'm going to continue a little bit on this side, but I didn't finish the frame, but I did the frame on this side. If I have someone, I could finish the drywall, but I don't have someone to help me, save me, to go all the way up. I finished on that side, finished on that side too. So I'm putting the doors now. So on this video, we're going to be the drywalls and the doors. I'm going to put the doors very soon, hopefully by next week if I finish the drywalls. If not, I don't know when I'm going to do it. So I'm putting the rails for the door. One I did put over here, and then I need to bolt some bolts over here. Need to be hold this one. So this one it is. That one's for the 8. This one's 14. Yeah, it's a little bit messed in my garage. I was working some cars. So I'm working on that one too. There's some tank chain issues. It's Mazda, so I need to take that one out because I have to rent a forklift to put the doors. After I finish the doors, I'm going to finish this car for sure. I was working too many cars, so I'm going to upload. This video will be after some cars for sure. So doors. And then if you saw, I put some short on my YouTube channel, or if you go to TikTok, there's more videos there than YouTube. If you want to check it out there, I'll put the link up in the description down below. My TikTok, if you want to check it out. I always put videos there more than YouTube, so yeah. So now I'm going to put the rail on that side, and yeah, I think I explained everything. Yeah, I did get this one from the Home Depot. Renting scissor lifts. Then this one's better. Scaffolding. This one's cheaper than scissor lift. Scissor lift you spend at least 1,000 with the delivery. At least maybe 500, maybe 1,500, maybe. But the bigger one's more expensive. This one's better. This one's my forever. So I'm not going to rent anymore. So yeah, about the electric parts, so I'm going to later, that video's different. So I'm going to do it myself, and there will be some help. So yeah, I did not decide yet. Some light, I don't know the lights yet too. Yeah, so don't forget like, subscribe, and write your comment down below. If you give me some tips for my dream garage, it will be helpful. Yeah, and then subscribe. Some of you didn't subscribe. I saw some videos. It's not subscribe. Some of you just watch. If you subscribe, it will be helpful. So subscribe for my channel. So let me work on that one. I was working one rail. Today the time's not. I'm going to finish the rest of it tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Hopefully this video is short. I don't know. We'll see. I hope you enjoyed. See you. Enjoy it. I am cutting for the frame for the drywall. cut it all of them at the same time and then put it on there. Now I'm measuring it fits, and then I'm going to put it on there. It's not that much hard. If you've done it too many times, you know what to do, but I never did one before, so it's not that much hard. I did it now too many times, so it was so easy now. But I have to cut it, it doesn't match 8 feet, so I have to cut a little bit 2 inch to make it 8. Otherwise it will be longer. I have to figure out, sometimes I forget it on this side and a little bit messed up, but after that I'm used to it. So now my friend helped me on this side. It's not that much hard. On this side it confused me. I did the right way, I think. And then when I put it like this, doesn't match, doesn't line. But we changed the how we put it. Like this works, but before it doesn't work. So yeah, when you do it too many times, you'll learn. It goes like that for me. When I do it too much, I learn all the time. So. Finish climbing up there. Now I'm going to bolt it on down here first, one bolt, and then the rest of it I'm going to go up there and finish it from there. But I'm going to put one down here, and I'm going to put around down there. But I'm going to check over here, lay this out, so I'm going to push it in. So I go for the drill. Not too bad. So now I'm going to go up there and Lucy. So it would be hard to record, Lucy. If it's easy, I'll record. Well, it will be easier. Let's see. I guess almost done. So I just a little bit changed some stuff. So if you can see down here, the hole, this was they drilled this one. So there is small amount. So I added 2 more. So if you see over here, there's no. So I'm going to add over here and down here 2 more to be strong. Otherwise you don't need to add more. But I am adding 2 over here and 2 there's up there all done, but I'm going to add this one. So I did that, and then up there, all the way up there, the bolts, it is 3, I did 4. I drill 1 and put 1 over there, up there. So mine have a bracket. On this side I can put the bracket, but on the other side I can't because of, let me show you the bracket. Good bracket, but on my application doesn't work. Only one side works. On one side there's a spacer. On this side there's a spacer. I'm going to put the chain on this side, so there's a spacer. But for the smaller one, it doesn't have it. So when I put the spacer, it works for this bracket to fit. Otherwise, if there is no spacer, the bolt to bolt in this bolt, this bracket, it's going to bolt over here, so the bolt will going to touch me. This still is going to touch me, and there will be more gap under it. So I don't want to put it. And then this bolt pattern doesn't work, so I drill mine up there. Maybe I'm going to go up there and show it to you. Yeah, let me go up there and show it to you what I'm saying. Okay, I'm up there now. So this spacer, but then the other side doesn't have spacer, so this one goes all the way here. So when I put the bracket over here, the bolts over here on the back side, this bracket, there will be space. So I didn't put it on that side. Only one side when if there's a bracket, I can put this bracket, otherwise it doesn't work. And then for the bolts, they're over here, so I relocate them over here. They gave me 3 of them, but I did 5 on this side. So yeah, and then I did go to Home Depot to make the thickness the bolts. Now that one is this one, but they gave you different one, smaller one. The height's too small, so I did go buy from Home Depot. But if I got a bigger thickness, I will plan to do that, but I can't find one. I have to maybe online order. I have no time for that for now. So yeah, and the real deal, this one's mine, but this one's they drill it. So I was doing that. Now I'm going to do the smaller one, but I'm not going to add this one for now, because when I put this one, I can go and back or forward. I can go that way. So because of that, I can't do that. So I need to finish that one, and then I have to work on the drywall framing on that side. I have to make it ready at least for Tuesday. My friend will come and help me over there, so I have to make ready everything. Hopefully it'll be easier to put the drywall, otherwise I don't know what I'm going to do. So looking good so far. Hopefully by, I don't know when I'm going to put it, the drywall needs to get in, and then I have to paint down here. After that it'll be ready. So over here is 2 inch from here to here, but there's instruction for it. I didn't saw it before, so maybe tricky. I did redo it a little bit over here. Yeah, maybe next time I have other steel I'm going to add over here, and then maybe bolt it in or down here a little bit. There's a gap. When I bolted it, this one goes inside here, hopefully. Only for this one, but I'm going to add, I have extra steel of this kind of stuff. Let me go and back there, and then let me work on the small one now. So when I put the rail last time, I didn't put these 2. I could put them, but I don't know, I forget about them. And then yeah, but yeah, now I'm going to put them there. This one's close by, so I'm going to put both of them. So there's no this bracket, I'm not going to put it because it doesn't work, because it doesn't have one of its spacer. So yeah, so I'm going to drill the holes over here, more extra, 2 of them. There is more of them, so I'm going to drill all of them. Yeah, it's not too bad. And then maybe I'm going to start today if I have time. I'm going to start it, hopefully. Yeah. What's up, guys? Today's the day. Today I'm going to put the door. I got the forklift. So yeah, you saw me putting the rails. So I finished on the side and put the drywall. Everything's in. Only the issue I found, I was looking for internet how they put this door. There is, but there's not that much. I didn't explain what I did. You can find on internet or when you put it on your website. Someplace damage down here, down there. Doesn't matter, I'm going to put white. Yeah, I don't explain anything what I did. Everything's ready, but I'm not going to take that one. So only on this side, 2 sides left the drywall. I'm going to finish it right now. My friend's not here yet. I'm planning to put this door, but it's going to be easy. I don't know. Alone, I don't know. If it's alone, it's easy. That's perfect, but I'm not sure if it is. I don't know. We'll find out one way or another. I'm going to try it now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I just put the drywall on this side. It's so hard to put if you're alone. It is so heavy. For me, it was so heavy. Now my friend came, but still heavy. On this side now I'm working on it.
that side was easy one than before because nothing can hold it. I finished every one of them. Now we're ready to put the door. The smallest one, the easy one. You see the two of them, they're not. So now we're moving the drywall because we're going to put the forklift in and then try it from inside. So we never work this kind of stuff before. It's not easy. I mean, when you do it too many times, it'll be easier. So now we're going to try from inside. So the plan is to slide it on the truck. My friend's on the forklift, but it is sketchy. If something happens, he will fall down. So now we're going to do it from outside. It's better from outside. Still, we need to pick it up and put it on the rail. It is, for me, it's heavy. My friend stronger than me, so he helped me. We put one bolt on the other side and then push it, and then we're going to use to it. This side, the middle one, it is heavy than the small one. Two of them, they're heavier, so you're used to it. And then when you put the last one, now we know what to do, so it was easier than before. So now we put on the forklift some wood. We try like this, it didn't work, so we bring it down and then we put wood on the forklift to raise it a little bit up. Now we put the wood and then I did slide it. It was easier like that, and bolted one side and then slide it on the other side, and then it was easy, so easy.
What's up guys, all done. This is the next day. Finally finished it yesterday. So my friend helped me. Only the hardest part was for me to put the drywalls up there. I didn't record it that much because it's not useful that much, but it is heavy up there, especially the first one. Oof, it is so heavy. I don't know how to explain it, but it is so heavy. Yesterday I was doing it alone, last one, and then on that one my friend came. It's helped me a little bit, but yeah, it's heavier. The doors, that side was easy. Those two, they're heavy because they're bigger than that one, the smallest one. That one's 8 feet, 14 and 14. But the widths, they're all the same. It's 10, 10, all of them. So yeah, we put it, I didn't explain anything, just time lapse. I don't know. I never did before doors. Generally, I never build a house or garage. They're same deal. So yeah, finally all done. I thought something will have some issues, but no issues. That's good. So yeah, stay tuned for other videos. Now left only 10%. Now I need to upgrade my meter and put pipes for the lines for the electrics. Yeah, all done. Finally, all done. Thanks God. So to build this garage, my friend helped me and my family. Thank you for that. So this garage will be finished soon, and then my permit will expire again, so I need to renew. I have some issues on the back side. The step pack was issues. Because of that I stopped working. I cannot work too, so because of that my permit will expire soon. I need to renew it again. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos. There will be more videos on this garage. There's more projects. After lights, I don't need permits. Then after that, an inspection, only one inspection for the electric, and that's it. So stay tuned for that videos. Thank you for watching. There's more videos. There's more cars over here. Let me sneak peek. There's a Viper and S2000. That one's my friend car. That video is coming after this, I believe. Stay tuned for that video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. See you in the other video.